Okay, Mike here again. September 2021, we're getting busy because we need to put the mask back on, as was mentioned. And even though the college program, which was all of season one, doesn't start till end of September, there'll be October rolling. We have a group of students, second year students from NCTA, the Northwest Career Tech Academy, that are going to be working for the next couple of weeks on this list of projects. So first of all, let's talk about what is NCTA.
NCTA is Northwest Career and Technical Academy. There are 4 campuses, one in Meridian, Mount Vernon, Sedro-Woolley, and Anacortes. We here attend the Anacortes campus and are in the class Marine Services.
My name is Luke Marble and I attend LeConner High School and NCTA. This is my second year in the Marine Services program, and I'm a commercial fisherman in Bristol Bay, and this just fits my profession, and I'd like to work on boats for the rest of my life, if not build them.
Hi, I'm Bronco. I go to LeConner High, and I'm learning how to repair my boat.
My name is Malachi. I attend Anacortes High School. I'm a senior, and I want to work on boats.
Quick.
My name is Clayton O'Leary. This is my second year here in Marine Tech, and I want to learn how to build boats.
I'm Cameron, I'm a senior from LeConner, and this is my 3rd year taking an NCTA program, my 2nd year in Marine Tech, and I want to spend time on the water and know how to fix my boat.
All right, that was great. It's good to get to know all of these students, and we're just excited to send these young people into the marine trades and have a career being on boats in and on around the water. So our task for the next few weeks, we're getting this boat watertight, and so windows, we've got to remove all the old goop. And I actually need to show this crew how the windows were made last year. Need to do this on, out in the field or on their own boat. They know how to do it because our windows are all built. They, thanks to Clifton, so we have them ready to go. We got to buff and clean around these windows on the deck so that when we do the final clean, we don't screw up the edges of the windows. We need to sand and prep that edge for the sealant and a few things like that. We need to peel the paper off. Where the sealant's going to go, so we get a nice bedding in here. And of course, we got to not get the black sealant all over the place. Stay ahead of our mess. That's a key here at Marine Tech, which will be like taping the outside of the windows and the inside and prepping. And in fact, 8 of the windows on the inside don't have removable frames, and that's a challenge. So and some of the varnish on that teak edge has failed from years of UV. So we're going to sand that out and get a fresh coat of varnish, because if we get any of that black sealant on raw wood, it's never coming out. So we're going to show these guys how to do it professionally. We're going to get the windows in. That's the big one. The other thing is we didn't get finished last year in plumbing class putting in our through hulls because we couldn't get them. And what that means is the side decks, if you watch the video about all the rain coming in last fall, these were problematic, and they just kind of went willy-nilly, this old nasty hose from the deck drain to the transom. We're going to do it better with a couple of 90s, and so it'll go 90 out of the deck, aft, roll down and out the transom. But that means we need to do some painting and drilling a hole in the port side. We're changing the design a little bit, like this, and so it's going to require a little bit of work. The painting's a big deal. We're going to get it all painted bright white down in the lazarette before we install these hoses. And then we're going to clamp and install the new hoses, and that'll be great. The foredeck just has a few little projects. The windlass needed some longer bolts. Our new base for the winch was just a tiny bit thicker, so we're going to put in some longer bolts up there. We got 2 foot switches to put in up there. There's a couple cleats that need to be reinstalled. So all the deck hardware is being rebed. This boat's going to be weather tight, we hope. Not we hope, we're going to put it to the test here this fall. So there's a water tank fill up there, and then there's some miscellaneous stuff. It's awesome. The chain plates, saw in the last couple of updates, are done. So we got to reinstall and bed the chain plate covers. So I was getting all of our stuff ready for the activity. I had our bolts, nuts, some stuff, right? And you know, some sealant and tape and chain plate covers, bolts and everything. And I was like, okay, well, I got the big one, two littles, and I'm like, big one's missing. And I'm losing my mind, right? So I start looking, I'm like, I know I had all of these. And I went down and checked on the cart, and I looking all over the boat, and I could not find the chain plate cover. You know where it was?
Where?
Right where I set it.
Yeah, you get those.
There goes 20 minutes of my life, right? That I'll never get back. The holding tank pump outs on the deck as well. And there's a couple of holes we need to seal. The emergency tiller and where the mast actually goes. Once we take the shrink wrap off in a couple of weeks, before we put the mast in, if it does rain, we're gonna put something over there. So let's get the crew to work, and we'll continue this video and show you the progress we made. Well, there's that first one. Gonna go to the inside and peel the paper. It looks outstanding. Wow. The new windows, absolutely amazing. We love it.